geometry class. Today's concept is three-dimensional figures or three-dimensional shapes. What are three-dimensional shapes, children? See. What is the shape of this figure? This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. And this is shape of this is square. Then what is three-dimensional shape? The shape having the geometrical shape having three dimensions: face, edge, and vertex. Having three, for example. And see, this is the shape square. What is three dimension? The face, edge, and vertex. So these have three dimensions. So such shapes are said to be three-dimensional shapes. And the geometrical figures which are solid, we can see in our everyday life, so many things we are using which are solid, they are having geometrical shapes such as cone, box. See, this is example for a three-dimensional box. See, this box having three dimensions. Okay, and your textbooks and this box is having three dimensions. Which are those three dimensions, children? This is called face, edges, and these corners are said to be vertices, singular vertex and vertices. So let us see some more examples for three-dimensional figures. We have three-dimensional figures: cone, sphere, cuboid, octagon. See, this is octagon, cube. Okay, cube, cuboid, it has 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pentagon. It's a solid figure of pentagon. Shape is pentagon. See. Cone. Octagon. Octagon means it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shapes, 8 faces. See. This is prism. A prism is a geometrical shape having three faces and one base. Triangular shape. It has triangular shape. It is also having triangular shape and one base. 1, 2, 3, 4 faces and base. These are the solid figures we will study in this figure. A cylinder, the cone and a sphere have no straight edges. So what is the base of the cone? See, we have cone. It has smooth surface ending in a point. But what is the base? Base is having spherical, circular base. The shape of the base is circle. What is the base of the pentagon? It is having 5 faces, 5 edges, 5 sides. So each line is said to be a segment, a line segment. When they join together, form the geometrical shape. And when they join to meet, this point is said to be vertex. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices are there. These are the geometrical things. What is this? This is also a geometrical solid figure. It is a cylinder. It has a circular smooth face and 1 and 2 bases. Circular. This is cylinder. three faces, 1, 2 and 3, and 2 triangular bases. This is also a solid figure. What is the shape of this solid figure, children? This is rectangular shape and its bases are, see the base, it is different. This is square in shape. So how many faces are there? What is the face, children? We are seeing. They are having 3 dimensions. Face. So this is face. Also these are the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 faces. And edges. This is the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 edges. And each point when they meet is said to be, that point is, the meeting point of line segments is said to be vertex. How many vertices are there? Vertex is singular, vertex is plural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices are there. Okay, let me write number of faces for this. You can see the dimensions. 3 dimensions. How many faces are there? So like this same, I will take this one. It is cuboid because the faces are rectangular. The solid figure of rectangle is cuboid and the solid figure of square is cube. The solid figure of square is a cube and solid figure of a rectangle is a cuboid. Have you understood, children, the difference between the cube and cuboid? Okay, fine. So these are the solid figures. They have 3 dimensions. This is said to be the interior face, is known as face. The interior is known as face of the figure. And these are edges. These are vertices. Got it, children? I hope it is clear for you. So, a pyramid is also a shape with a single base. Pyramid. This is a pyramid having a single base. It is a solid form of triangle. Okay. So this is pyramid. Prism. Prism is having 1, 2, 3 rectangular shapes. The faces are rectangular and the bases are triangular. So what is this? This is a geometrical solid figure, solid having rectangular shapes and bases triangular. So how many faces are there for a prism? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So these are all the solid figures we have to study in this chapter. So this is cylinder. The page number 110, children have to study what are the how many number of faces, vertices and edges. A cuboid looks like a rectangular box. This is rectangular box, cuboid. It has 6 faces. Each has 4 edges. Each face has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each face has 4 edges. Okay, and each face has corners. Each face has also 1, 2, 3, 4 corners are called as vertices. Okay, like this you have to study others also. A cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of equal length. See, this is cube. This is also cuboid, but the faces are all having equal length. The edges are, the segments are of having equal lengths. So this is a cube. So how many faces are there? It has 6 faces. See the page number 110. In the page number 110, the exercises. Do this. We have activity. Second one, a cube is having 6 faces. Has 6 faces. And how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Okay, it has 12 edges. Each face has 4 edges. Each face has how many faces? Edges. See the face. In this face, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 edges are there. And each face has how many vertices? Each face has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Each face has 4 vertices. Okay. Then a triangular pyramid has a triangle. This is a triangular prism. As its base, it has a base. It is also triangular base. It is also known as a tetrahedron. This is also known as a tetrahedron, triangular pyramid. Okay. So how many faces it has? It has 4 faces. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4 faces. Okay. Third one. A triangular prism. What are the 3 dimensions of a triangular? See, it has faces. Triangular prism has faces. How many? Vertex or vertices and edges. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. Okay. So like this we have to study one by one. A triangular prism looks like the shape of a kaleidoscope. Yes, it looks like a kaleidoscope. It has triangles as its bases. It has triangles as its bases. See. This is also a triangular prism or triangular pyramid. This is triangular pyramid. Okay. Triangular pyramid. How many faces are there for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 faces. This is also a solid figure having 5 faces and 1 but it has what kind of base? It has 5 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the shape? The shape having 5 sides is said to be pentagon. Okay? See, it has 4 sides and 5 vertices. Vertices is different. This is different from this. Both are pyramids, but they differ in their faces. Number of faces are more here. Number of faces are only 4 here. Here 5. Then, what is this? How many faces are there? No, it says here. It has no faces. It has circular face, only one. The shape is circular shape. This is solid figure of circle is sphere. The solid figure of a circle is this is the area. It is a sphere. Shape is circular shape. Okay. See the page number 111. Match the following. Code. We have code. In this, which is code? Second one. Is a code. Sphere. Which is a sphere? Sphere is a solid figure of a circular face. This is fourth one. Cylinder. Where is cylinder? This is the cylinder. This is the cylinder. And cuboid. Cuboid is the solid figure of rectangle. This is cuboid. Pyramid. See, this is the pyramid. Cone. Example for pyramid is cone. Ice cream cone is also an example for pyramid. Okay, this much you have to study. And what shape is your instrument box? You have an instrument box. Even I also have an instrument box. What is the shape of this? This is rectangular. Shape is rectangular. And a brick. A brick is like this. A duster also looks like a brick. What is the shape of this brick? It is rectangular. Shape is rectangle. A matchbox. A matchbox looks like this. So matchbox is a rectangular box. Shape is rectangle. A road roller. What is the shape of a road roller? Have you seen any road roller along the road sides? Which rolls on the road is having cylindrical shape. It is cylinder. And a sweet laddu. What is the shape of a sweet laddu? Sphere. The shape of the sweet laddu is circle. Shape is circle and solid figure is sphere. So this is all about 5.9. Have to draw all these and color them neatly and write below them what is the name of that particular solid. So you have to draw all these and write the name of the solid figures. Thank you. Have a nice day.